Blaast. Putting the ghetto people them first, not last. Them having life hard, politicians is the cause.
And a batty boy Jeffrey go interview me. Me say, look, I'm going to talk. Batty boy.
I heard a 2-time convicted drug dealer turned politician say I must stay out of politics because when I speak about politics, me not competent. So me did have to be a labor right because them days there are the days when PMP have it. Show me labor right, friends. One more term on them. One bill of vibes. Here I dust them again.
Every 4 years, them disappear. The 5th year, them appear. See 5 grand, rum and beer. Shoot them election then near.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and lion, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Livefoot TV and that man of peace. We set at the violence of the streets, live in love, unity and strength. And I mean, life are the greatest gift. Cherish each and every moment, you know. Today we're there, tomorrow we're gone. Be grateful for the little that you have. So may I say, yes man. Friday, the 4th of April. Big up everybody who wake up to see today. I don't know how Livefoot, you know, I don't know. Don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe, click the bell if you're new to the platform. Big up on yourself, welcome, give thanks for your continuous support. In this episode we have Squash Mother Shelly talk, and I threatened to she gonna do interview and she gonna talk, up the bag of things, man. Expose who for expose. Don't think it's a wise move. You know? And also Mr. Vegas venture into politics. Fully green, suit out. And this, not even true shade, this Buchanan, Isat Buchanan, brawling. And I said, yo, you see me? For my youth team switch him, have to go JLP because when they go buy bread, them say I have to buy something else with it. I could hear what go on about Martin, go check out that song. Now vote again for Blaast. Bad artists, and look out for the artists 2025 and beyond. Bad artists will need the highlight. You see me? I don't know, I give him that strength there. Big up yourself, Blaast. Now vote again.
It's Blaast. Putting the ghetto people them first, not last. Them having life hard, politicians is the cause.
Yes man, too much general in the parliament, you know? Yeah, you see it.
Every 4 years, them disappear. The 5th year, them appear. See 5 grand, rum and beer. Shoot them election then near.
Every 4 years, them disappear. The 5th year, them appear. See 5 grand, rum and beer. Through them election then near. Real blouse and skirt talk. Born politics. You see me?
We nah vote again. Too much generally in a parliament. We nah vote again. Pan politicians, I dash the judgment.
We nah vote again, man. You see me? I say, go check out the song, my viewers and subscribers. Produced by I&I. Say? Yeah.
Ghetto youths, them nah vote again. Ghetto girls, them nah vote again. Me hear Mr. Massa tell our children, say she nah vote again.
Anyway, now, yeah, Shelly, Squash Mother. So she gonna do an interview and she decided Jeffrey too, you see me? And so she gonna threaten to expose everything about Mobay and one bag of sitting. So yeah.
And a batty boy Jeffrey go interview me. Me say, look, I'm going to talk. Batty boy, you think me and me, you couldn't send me go and no you pick up no gun. So could batty boy, you and your team, no friend, no kill Dutch. One Dutchman, good youth, no friend and can go kill the blood clot. Biggest info about you than a friend kill a blood clot, one Dutchman to the real one G-man. So me just interview you better buckle up all the girl from overboard wrong, the one who usually send, go pick up on the fuck, we are going to come fool like a thief in the blood clot night. No better run away, cause.
Boy, oh boy. You know, Shelly head hot, you know, and her Squash is in locked up right now. And it look good on him, you know, so she could have decided that she now go hold back, you know, because, you know what I mean, don't know what the outcome going to be with her son, but she might not see him for a long time. You see me? So she said she's going to do interview and she's going to talk about a bag of things. I would say to Shelly, you know, be careful of what you say. Think before you talk, think before you act, you know, because you know how Jamaica run, and you know what I mean. When the killy them decide, say yeah, they might pull up, you know. Yeah, that you see me. So Shelly, think twice before you do that interview there. I think what you're gonna say on the interview. Don't talk when you don't talk, you know. But the choice is yours. That is just my advice. I know me are the man of peace. I will set the violence off the streets. You see, my viewers and subscribers. Boy, Jeffrey can get disrespect. Big up yourself, Jeffrey. Anyway, though, Mr. Vegas got one press conference and one part of Mobay. Here I go.
I am not here tonight in the capacity of an artist. I am here as a patriotic Jamaican who wants what is best for this country. So I stand in solidarity with you who are here and every Jamaican who wants the best for this country, Jamaica.
Yo, the man make me cough and laugh.
I heard a two-time convicted drug dealer turned politician say I must stay out of politics because when I speak about politics, me not competent. Me want to help him, help me send a message to him, my brother. Help me send a message to him. Yes, I don't see blessing. I don't see blessing.
You're the one say you're a two-time convicted drug dealer. Well, Isat Buchanan, the stigma they not leave you, you know.
Everything straight. Tell such man to do that and beat me.
We nah vote again. Too much ginally in a parliament.
We have the right man for the job. Everything that's going on in the world, you need somebody with a steady hand. You need somebody who can manage the thing. You don't need somebody where when pressure take him, he must be sent for PG partisan.
To me, the two parties them are the same.
As a little youth, when my parents sent me to shop one day to go buy some rice, and I go to the shop, and the housekeeper said to me, I have to buy soap with the rice. That's sticking on my brain from them time there. So me did have to be a labor right. Because them days there are the days when PMP have it. Hey!
Boy, Mr. Vegas say, yo, me have to change, you know, because, you know, them time when PMP was in power, it is rough and tough. You see me? But to me, the two parties them are the same. You see me?
And we're going to be walking with Hero Clark. And we are going to sing a song with Gosso. Show me labor right, friends. One more term on them. Go and be la vibes. Here I dust them again.
One time I ever vote, you know, my mother banned politician. I talked this several times on the platform. You know, my mother get bullet. I shouldn't get not of politics, but bullet in her throat. We're still dead, you know. You see it. Well, my viewers and subscribers, this was shocking to me when I see it. I said, Mr. Vegas got deep in the politics now. You see me? Because Mr. Vegas, I don't have your choice. And, you know, but I don't know if thing that got clap back. Isaac got clap back. But my viewers and subscribers, let me know what y'all think. See it? I don't know. I love all the way the same way. Big up JLP, big up PMP. Big up my JLP friend them and my PMP friend them. And my JLP family them too. You see me? Yeah man, I love and load man. Born politics. You see it? Politics. And Blaast say nah vote again, but I don't know. Only way me that for vote unless me know guarantee sure it's a benefit. It have a benefit. The world Jamaica, you know? But the two of them I see, when they win a power, be a thing then go on with. Be empty promises and be a sitting. Me get 6 for 9 in 2018, you know. Yeah, me get 6 for 9 from 2018 from Crawford them and, you know. Yeah. after I'm at the studio, I say, yo, I'm passing the scheme in a voting time. And I say, yo, I'm not running into nobody. And the man, the dog, them bring them come in the studio. I say, yo, you know, since I AC me that one. Still, because you know, build a studio for the community for the youth. Them. I get the number. Crawford give him number. I'm going to call him up. No answer. I pick up. Then message, then answer. Call me back. They know me I did that thing. Oh no. You know, because they just use the body and buy the AC and put that through there, you know. I know, so yo, I say a thing go up. Well, I'm not strange, not surprising, you see me? But I love alone, man. Big up on yourself, and the man of peace, Lionfoot. Let me know what you think of Mr. Vegas' actions. Venturing into jail, in the politics, and I mean, also about Shelly. Any advice on her fear, give it to her, please, see? Yeah, man. Remember, we got to check out Blaast song. Now vote again. Holy man, I Selassie, push it.
We nah vote again. Pan politicians, I dash the judgment. Get the youths, them nah vote again. Get the girls, them nah vote again. Me hear Mr. Massa tell our children, say she nah vote again.